What do whale sharks eat? Tourists, of course. Just kidding. Welcome to the mysterious world of the ocean, where giants roam the depths. Today, we're diving deep to uncover the secrets of the largest fish in the sea, the whale shark. But what does this gentle giant feast on to maintain its massive size? Stay with us as we explore the diet of the whale shark. Whale sharks, known scientifically as Rhincodon typus, are not only the largest fish species in the ocean, but are also gentle giants. Despite their enormous size, reaching up to 62 feet or more, these creatures are known for their docile nature. They roam the tropical seas, captivating marine enthusiasts and scientists alike. Unlike their fearsome namesake, the whale sharks have a diet that's surprisingly modest. They are filter feeders, which means they consume food by straining it through their gill rakers. As they swim with their mouths open, water flows in, filled with plankton, small fish, and eggs. These tiny creatures are trapped by the gill rakers, allowing the whale shark to ingest a meal while the water flows back out. Whale sharks are often seen feeding at the surface, where plankton is abundant. They employ a technique known as ram filter feeding, swimming forward with their mouths open to gather food. In some cases, they also use suction feeding to draw water and food into their mouths while stationary. These feeding techniques are crucial for their survival, allowing them to process over 2,000 tons of water per hour in search of nourishment. Plankton, the primary diet of whale sharks, consists of tiny plants and animals drifting in the oceans. These microscopic organisms are the foundation of the marine food web, and areas rich in plankton attract whale sharks, especially during seasonal blooms. Despite their massive size and popularity among divers, whale sharks face threats from human activities, including accidental catches in fishing gear and the impacts of marine pollution. Classified as endangered, the conservation of whale sharks and their habitat is vital for their survival and the health of our oceans. Whale sharks remind us of the ocean's vast mysteries and the delicate balance that sustains marine life. By understanding what these gentle giants eat and how they live, we can better appreciate their role in the ocean's ecosystem and the importance of protecting these magnificent creatures for future generations. Thank you for diving with us into the world of whale sharks. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating journeys into the natural world. Now check out our video on swimming with whale sharks.